I want a minimum weighting and a maximum weighting. I want to have risk controls, all right? This has nothing to do with hedging the portfolio other than putting a range around it, okay? Why minimum weighting? I call it anti-fear. You know, sometimes look, I'm a chartist since I was 16, okay? So I look at a chart and say, oh boy, that was rough. I got hit with 3M recently. Like, wow, you know, I've done pretty well in it. But I'm gonna force myself to own 1% of it. I'm gonna force myself. I'm already way ahead of the game, had a good year. But I wanna, unless I think the company is truly impaired, I'm going to stick my neck out and have 1% in there. And I can't tell you, the biggest improvement I've made in my own process over the years. And the maximum weighting, that's to keep it from being greedy. Now for me, my range is 1 to 5%. Everybody else, it's up to you, okay? But have a max and a min, right? The ex-dividend date and the earnings date are very important. And to me, look, once a quarter, they pay you if you own the stock. The more shares you own, the more income you get, okay? I am not afraid to fluctuate the positions up and down in order to get more of that income. It is not the most tax efficient, but if you can take a bunch of 3-4% yielders or less, and you can spin out 7 to 10% income return, if you're paying a higher tax rate, you're still way ahead of the game. So that's kind of even if you're in a salt state, by the way. You know, to me, you have to be willing to be active. The market treats earnings differently than it used to. It used to just come and go. Now it's a freaking event, and it's very annoying to those of us who have been investing for a while.